With less than a month to go before the official launch, Samsung has just ignited the hype train for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in the most dramatic way possible by wiping almost its entire Instagram presence. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung's official accounts, A Samsung Mobile and R Samsung Mobile USA, have deleted nearly every single post, leaving behind only 6 mysterious uploads. And those 6 posts? They aren't random. Together, they spell out a bold teaser message. New shape, new joy. This isn't just marketing flair. This is Samsung telling us that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is getting one of its biggest design changes in years. If you weren't already following the leaks, these posts might seem cryptic. Each teaser visually shows Samsung slicing off the top portion of what appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7's tall and narrow silhouette. What's left behind? A shorter, wider form factor. Exactly what rumors have been pointing toward for weeks. In simple terms, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 looks like it's finally ditching the extra tall design in favor of something more practical, more usable, and possibly more comfortable in the hand. And here's where things get even more interesting. Earlier leaks revealed side-by-side comparison images showing a massive height difference between the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Fold 8 appears noticeably wider and shorter, a redesign that could dramatically improve one-handed usability and front screen typing, 2 areas where foldables have traditionally struggled. Samsung's teaser captions only add fuel to the fire. Phrases like, "Cut to what matters," "Feels just right," "A whole new slice," "A sweet," "Reveal." All of them subtly hint at refinement, precision, a device that's been trimmed down to perfection. But Samsung stops just short of explicitly saying Galaxy Z Fold 8. There's no direct mention in most of the teaser posts. Instead, the company is letting the visuals and wording do the talking, except for one post. One stands out clearly. Bold stroke. New shape. In this teaser, Samsung flashes a palette of purple, pink, and golden hues, colors that have already been rumored for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup. Then the animation cuts to a wallpaper we've already seen in leaks, prominently displaying the number 8. At that moment, subtlety goes out the window. This is Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now here's where things get slightly confusing. Recent leaks also revealed a device labeled Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Strangely, that model appears to stick with the older, taller design language instead of adopting the new, wider form factor. If true, Samsung may be splitting the lineup into 2 distinct design philosophies, one optimized for ergonomics and another for maximum screen real estate, but that raises questions. Is the Ultra truly Ultra if it keeps the older design? Or is Samsung redefining what premium means in the foldable space? And that's not the only mystery. Camera details for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series have also leaked, but surprisingly, they don't scream Ultra. While improvements are expected, early reports suggest we may not see a massive leap in camera hardware. Instead, Samsung could be focusing more on design refinement, software optimization, and overall usability. Then there's the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, another rumored variant that allegedly fixes long-standing foldable complaints, particularly around aspect ratio and front display comfort. Combined with leaked gallery images and specs, it's becoming increasingly clear that Samsung is doubling down on real-world usability this year. And honestly, this approach feels refreshing. In previous years, Samsung would simply drop a standard unpacked teaser trailer and call it a day. But this time, wiping Instagram clean and rebuilding the hype from scratch feels bold. It feels calculated. It feels confident. Samsung isn't just launching a phone, they're signaling a reset, a new chapter for foldables. As for the release date, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. However, multiple credible leaks point toward July 22 as the big day. If that timeline holds true, we're just weeks away from seeing the Galaxy Z Fold 8 officially unveiled. So what can we expect? A wider and shorter design, new vibrant color, options potentially improved durability, refined, foldable ergonomics, and possibly a split lineup featuring both a redesigned Fold 8 and a more traditional Fold 8 Ultra. The biggest takeaway here is this. Samsung knows the foldable market is maturing. Competition is stronger than ever. Consumers expect more than just iterative upgrades and new shape. New joy might be more than a slogan. It might be Samsung admitting that design, not just specs, is what truly defines the next evolution of foldables. If these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could represent the most meaningful redesign in the Fold series since its original debut. And with Samsung wiping its Instagram history clean, one thing is clear: they're ready to start fresh. The countdown to Galaxy Z Fold 8 has officially begun,